Hi everyone, this is Dushyant from India Hikes, and I'm recording this video which I think is the need of this moment right now, that a lot of trekkers of Kashmir Great Lakes trek are coming unprepared. And let me tell you that this trek is a moderate difficult trek, and because they are unfit we have to send them back from first and second campsite as well. We want you to complete the trek, and we want you to understand that to get ready for this level of difficulty you have to work out very well. Let me tell you that you need to do steep ascents and steep descents, and the trekking days are extremely long. And if you're not ready for it, we'll have to take this hard call and send you back from the trek. Steep ascents start from the day one itself and it continues till the second last day, and the steep descents as well. Whenever you cross a pass, you have to do steep descents and you have to then walk for very long hours. So understand that you need to be very well prepared for this trek. What I would recommend you is to follow the fitness regime which has been provided to you by your experienced coordinators. Run what is mentioned to you, but at the same time, do not stop when you touch that mark. See, it's a moderate difficult trek, so keep going till you actually come for your trek. As well as you need to work on your strength also, because you're doing steep ascents and descents and long walks. So your leg, your core and your shoulder needs to have good strength for you to keep going for that long. So remember, you need to work on your endurance till you come for the trek, and you need to work on your strength as well. I tell all trekkers that take this seriously and come prepared, otherwise we might have to take the hard call and send you back from the trek. So please take it seriously. Thank you so much.
So I'll start with this. One thing is, I read that it's a moderate to difficult trek and that our fitness requirements was 30 to 35 minutes of 5K. So we started running three days a week, and the main thing is, because we have so much of ascent and descent, our legs really need to be strong, and because they are long walks, if we are not fit enough, we will not get to stare and enjoy the thing. We'll only be catching our breaths and finding it difficult to climb, and we'll not be able to soak in the beauty. And another thing, during descent our core strength is very important, so we need to work on our core strength as well. And it's a must that we need to do a running of 2 to 3 days a week, and we need to do it at least 2 months before the trek. We need to start, and we need to get the timing that the team requires much comfortably, and not just get it panting and pushing and getting it for one shot and then uploading it. But after coming, we'll really struggle, and it will not be an enjoyable experience. So to all the people who are coming to the trek, I strongly advise that get your cardio proper, focus on your core strength, do planks, do lunges, run three days a week, no matter what, and be fit and fine. Then you can enjoy the full trek easily, comfortably, and you will take the full beauty of Kashmir and have a great time.